Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your tax issues with TurboTax, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin resolving your tax issues with TurboTax, start by gathering all necessary documents. Collect your W-2s, 1099s, and any other income statements. Make sure to have your previous year's tax return handy for reference. Next, sign up for a TurboTax account if you don't already have one. Visit the TurboTax website and choose the appropriate version based on your tax situation. Once logged in, follow the prompts to start a new tax return. Enter your personal information as requested, including your name, address, and social security number. Now, input your income details using the forms you gathered earlier. TurboTax will guide you through entering your W-2s and 1099s step by step. Be sure to review all entries carefully for accuracy. After entering your income, it's time to report your deductions. TurboTax offers a range of deductions, so take advantage of the Deduction Finder tool. Input any deductible expenses related to business, education, or healthcare. Once you've completed the deductions section, review your tax credits. TurboTax will automatically suggest relevant credits based on your situation. Pay close attention to any eligibility requirements for credits available to you. After entering all necessary information, TurboTax will calculate your refund or balance due. Review the summary provided at the end of this section. If you notice any discrepancies, return to the relevant sections to make corrections. Once you're satisfied with your entries, you can file your return electronically. TurboTax will provide options for direct deposit if you are owed a refund. If you owe taxes, explore available payment options through TurboTax. After filing, the software will give you confirmation that your return has been submitted. Keep an eye on your email for updates on your filing status. Finally, if you encounter any issues after filing, TurboTax offers support resources to assist you. Consider reaching out to their help center or using the community forums for additional guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.